Discover the secret to effortlessly earning $150 on Autopilot for a lifetime. Stay tuned as I reveal the exact method to achieve this. The best part: it won't cost you a penny. No need to worry about expenses. This method is incredibly simple, requiring no professional skills. Are you eager to get started? Let's dive right in. Today, we'll utilize an incredible tool called Let's Enhance. Consider it a magical wand for your images, powered by the super advanced image super resolution technology. Fancy, isn't it? Essentially, this neural network acts as a highly intelligent computer brain trained on a vast collection of images. It possesses deep knowledge of typical object features, such as brick textures, hair and skin details, and more. Prepare to witness the real magic. When you upload your image to Let's Enhance, this clever network springs into action. It recognizes the learned features and adds extra details based on its understanding of the world. With Let's Enhance, you can effortlessly improve any image without spending hours on manual editing. Enhance resolution, enrich colors, fix lighting, and bid farewell to those pesky JPEG artifacts. It's like having your personal photo editing assistant, minus the hard work. Now that you're acquainted with this incredible tool, let's delve into step 1 of today's tutorial. Let's begin with step 1. Register for Let's Enhance. To start off, open your web browser and visit let'senhanced.io. On the website, locate the purple button at the top right corner that says Create Account and click on it. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can conveniently sign up using your Google account, or you can choose to enter your email address and create a password. Whichever method you prefer, follow the steps provided to complete the sign-up process. Oh, and remember to confirm that you're not a robot. We certainly wouldn't want any robots taking over our image enhancement process, would we? The exciting part is that when you sign up, you'll receive the opportunity to try out Let's Enhance with 10 free images. It's like a delightful taste test before making a commitment. Quite a sweet deal, isn't it? Moving on to step 2, enhance an image. Now, let me demonstrate how this tool operates. Imagine this scenario. While browsing the internet, you come across a blurry or pixelated image. No need to worry. Simply download the image to your computer. Got it? Excellent. Next, visit the Let's Enhance page, where you'll find a convenient box to drag and drop your image. Alternatively, you can browse through your computer files or even select an image from your Google Drive, whichever method is easier for you. Now, here's where the fun begins. Let's say you want to add some extra pizzazz to your photo. Let's Enhance offers incredible features to assist you. Experiment with options like light, tone enhancement, and color enhancement to make your photos truly captivating. Believe me when I say it's like having your personal photo editor right at your fingertips. Alright, once you're satisfied with the adjustments and ready to work some magic, simply click on the purple Start Processing button located in the bottom right corner. Sit back, relax, and let the AI do its thing. Let me assure you, the results are remarkably impressive. Witness how the AI works its wonders, transforming your image into a high-quality masterpiece. Moving on to step 3, explore Fiverr. Now, let me introduce you to Fiverr. It's a marketplace where talented individuals like yourself can showcase and sell their photo enhancement services, resulting in substantial earnings. Fiverr serves as a hub for creative geniuses who possess the remarkable ability to elevate images to a level that outshines even the brightest diamonds. You'll be amazed by the multitude of individuals out there earning a considerable income by leveraging their skills on Fiverr. Allow me to share an example of a top-notch seller I came across. This person has achieved an astonishing 543 sales, offering their photo enhancement services at a modest price of $10 per image. Can you believe it? Let's do a little math. Considering this talented individual has garnered 543 orders at $10 each, their total earnings amount to a remarkable $5,400. Isn't that awesome? And mind you, this is just one seller I happened to come across. Imagine the possibilities when you infuse your unique touch into photo enhancements and start offering your own services on Fiverr. Believe me when I say that the sky's the limit here. Let's move on to step 4. Offer your photo enhancement services on Fiverr. Now, here's a fantastic opportunity for you. Instead of investing countless hours mastering advanced Photoshop techniques for image enhancement, why not take the smart route and utilize this incredible AI tool we've been discussing? I mean, seriously, it's like having your very own secret weapon at your disposal. While other freelancers toil away for 1 to 2 hours, you can swoop in and save the day by leveraging Let's Enhance. It's a complete game changer. You can enhance images within minutes and deliver exceptional results. Talk about working smarter, not harder. Consider this. Your potential clients are actively seeking someone who can enhance their photos swiftly, without compromising on quality, and that's where you come in with Let's Enhance. By offering your photo enhancement services on Fiverr, you're providing people with precisely what they need, a time-saving solution that delivers stunning outcomes. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Now here's a valuable tip from me to you. When creating your Fiverr gig, don't forget to showcase some impressive samples of your before and after photo enhancements. Demonstrate the magic that this AI tool can achieve. Believe me, people appreciate visual proof of what they can expect. Additionally, ensure that you set your prices fairly and competitively. You don't want to undervalue your talents, but simultaneously, you want to attract potential clients who are seeking a great deal. Finding that sweet spot is key. Moving on to step 5. Fulfill orders with Let's Enhance. So, once the orders start rolling in on Fiverr, it's time to unleash the power of Let's Enhance. This incredible tool can be trusted to take those raw images and transform them into something truly remarkable. Let's Enhance handles all the hard work for you, utilizing its cutting-edge AI technology to enhance resolution, colors, lighting, and more. Now, when you receive an order, it's crucial to establish clear communication with your client. Gain a thorough understanding of their specific requirements for the photo enhancements. Your aim is to deliver precisely what they want and surpass their expectations. Once you have all the necessary details, it's time to put Let's Enhance to the test. Simply upload the client's image to the Let's Enhance platform and witness the AI work its magic. Once the image has finished processing and you're satisfied with the final result, it's time to deliver the finished product to your client. You can do this through Fiverr's messaging system or by providing them with a download link. Remember to always be prompt, professional, and friendly in your interactions because a satisfied client is likely to become a repeat client. Pro tip: don't underestimate the power of social media in spreading the word and attracting more clients to your exceptional photo enhancement services. Share before and after examples of your work on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Additionally, don't hesitate to ask your satisfied clients for reviews and testimonials that you can showcase on your social media channels. By building a strong online presence, you'll reach a broader audience and establish yourself as the go-to professional for stunning photo enhancements. Get creative, stay consistent, and watch as your client base grows and the revenue flows. And that concludes our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more incredible tips and tricks on the easiest ways to make money online. Also, don't forget to enable notifications so that you never miss out on future videos. See you next time.